From Election Commission's rap to Congress and the BJP to Rahul's industrialist dig at Narendra Modi and what Priyanka Gandhi is doing in Jharkhand, all that update in this election wrap. Almost a month after issuing notices to BJP President JP Nadda and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge over alleged model code of conduct violations by their star campaigners, the Election Commission on Wednesday directed BJP star campaigners not to make communal speeches and Congress star campaigners not to spread the impression that the constitution may be abolished. The EC notice comes amid ongoing poll rallies for the last two phases of the elections. One of the rallies held on Wednesday was by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in Haryana, attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Gandhi questioned if loan waiver only ruined the habits of farmers, not those of billionaires.
जब हिंदुस्तान का किसान नरेंद्र मोदी जी से बीजेपी से कर्जा माफी मांगता है तो नरेंद्र मोदी खुल के कहते हैं कि किसानों का कर्जा माफ नहीं होगा, कर्जा माफ करने से किसानों की आदत बिगड़ती है। अच्छा, तो किसानों की आदत कर्जा माफी से बिगड़ती है, मगर अदानी, अंबानी और अरबपतियों की आदत नहीं बिगड़ती। हम किसानों की आदत बिगाड़ने जा रहे हैं। एक बार नहीं, दो बार नहीं, तीन बार। लिखो जितना लिखना है, मोदी जी की फोटो के पास लिखो। हमें जो करना है हम करेंगे। किसानों का कर्जा माफ खटाक से, हरियाणा और बाकी प्रदेशों का। मेरा इंडिकेटर है, जितना ये मीडिया वाले चिल्लाएंगे उतना ज्यादा पैसा मैं ठकाठक डालूंगा।
Meanwhile, taking a dig at the opposition, Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked if India Alliance leaders have ever been seen together other than for taking photographs. He said the SP Congress and the India Alliance are now trying to scare India by taking the name of Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान तो पस्त पड़ गया है, लेकिन उसके हमदर्द सपा कांग्रेस वाले अब भारत को डराने में जुटे हैं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi also addressed a rally in Dwarka Lok Sabha constituency and said that a vote cast for the India Alliance is of no use, but a vote for the BJP will make the dream of a Viksit Bharat stronger. Aam Aadmi Party MP Raghav Chadha held a roadshow in the Parparganj area of East Delhi ahead of the 6th phase of Lok Sabha elections scheduled in Delhi on May 25th. AAP has fielded Kuldeep Kumar while BJP has fielded Harsh Malhotra for East Delhi Lok Sabha seat. That's all for today, but I'm leaving you with these happy visuals of Priyanka Gandhi dancing with tribal women in Jharkhand.